Welcome to the review of the newest 2019 Flexible Ruler from the Flexible Ruler Company. This year project is so much different than the one they made a year ago. Now it has 4 nanobytes of RAM, quadruple front camera and triple back camera. All recording at 144p1 fps and 0,001 megapixel. It also has wireless charging, fast charging, regular charging, ruler-to-ruler charging, solar charging, ultra-fast charging, no charging and paper charging. The battery is huge. It has 1 mAh battery and it will last for long. The ruler is waterproof, very flexible and slim. You can buy it in 5 color versions: blue, gambic, phthalo, arsenic, feldgrau and malachite. Unfortunately, it does not have a headphone jack. The ruler only costs $900, so it is a great deal. It really improved.